Right guys, it is 11 p.m. and we have been having somebody going up down to the bins for about the past half an hour, and they are slamming the doors really hard. I don't know what they're throwing out. I've had the windows shut and I've been sat down on my chair. I've been getting messages off of TikTok and someone keeps going up and down the stairs, bang, 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 bang. I don't know if it's going to stop now. It probably will. I hope so. I know that they upset me next door a few days ago. I put it on YouTube, didn't I? I'm trying to do it again. Three minutes past 11. There's a load of noise going on. Sounds like a car alarm. Right, it seems to have stopped for the minute. This can go until 2 in the morning. Someone said to me that I'm being nasty to them, and then we're getting all this banging, bang, bang, bang. There's thumping next door, there's thumping by the wall. It'll be interesting to see what state the bin store is in tomorrow morning. Sounds like someone smashed it up. It's terrible. Someone's got a nasty temper. Right, let me go and sit down. Right, let's just sit. Just sit down a second. But it's been going on for about half an hour. Thump, 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 bang, bang, bang. He's got to get up for work in the morning. They're just slamming the door. Now they've gone out the front door again. I can hear it. 5 minutes past 11. Someone's cross, and it just coincided with the text that I got sent. You're being nasty to me. And now someone has obviously got a nasty temper. I wouldn't like to live there. So it's coming from my kitchen area. Running up and down where my kitchen is by the wall, and they're trying to cause trouble because they just are. Now my mum's rung the phone. Genestra, these people are doing this on purpose, right? And it's Saturday, right? I haven't got to go up to work tomorrow. I sometimes don't go to bed at 3 in the morning. One of them was up last night messing around. Somebody, I hope it isn't my mum instigating this, because they're going to get caught, because I am now documenting everything, all the messages and all the noises and what's going on. That is the noise outside. It sounds like alarms going off. It's awful.